Once upon a time, a fox was very hungry. It went out in search of food. It tried its best to find something to eat, but in vain. It felt very sad. At last, it came to a garden. There was a crow sitting on the branch of a tree. It had a piece of bread in its beak. The fox was very hungry. It was unable to suffer so much. It was silent for some time, and thought of a plan. It knew well that this crow would be happy listening his praise. So, the fox said to Crow with respect, "You are very beautiful bird. Your voice is very must be sweet. I am fond of listening to your song. So, my darling, sing a song for me." The crow was very pleased to listen to his praise. He began to caw. The piece of bread fell down on the ground. The fox picked it up and ran away. Please subscribe for more videos.